12 amazing health benefits of nettle tea, a powerhouse for your immune system. Welcome to Jada Therapy. Nettle tea contains vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin B, iodine, beta-carotene, zeaxanthins, rutin, phytonutrients, chlorophyll, iron, phosphorus, copper, boron, strontium, manganese, magnesium, calcium, potassium. Naturally caffeine-free. 12 amazing health benefits of nettle tea, a powerhouse for your immune system. Helps relieve stress. Decreases oxidative stress. Relieves pain. Stimulates healthy thyroid function. Lowers bad cholesterol. Fights infections. Anti-inflammatory. Lowers blood sugar. Lowers blood pressure. Heals stomach lining. Supports digestive system. Natural diuretic. Natural antihistamine. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and for more information check out the links in the description below.